Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the best keywords to get 10 million views from Google and other search engines just by using 160 niche keywords. And also, I will share the organic traffic and earning opportunity by using these keywords in your blog posts or vlog videos, and website articles, etc. We are targeting a major audience from 4 countries: USA, UK, India and Canada. Please watch this video till the end to get better content making ideas. Please subscribe this channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon and select all option to get notifications on our new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned to get more latest updates from this channel.